Hello viewers, welcome to your favorite channel English with Ishak. Today I will discuss the MCQs on the famous novel Untouchable written by Mulk Raj Anand. Before starting, I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notifications on. So let's get started. Untouchable by Mulk Raj Anand. First question, which novel of Mulk Raj Anand made him famous? The answer is Untouchable. Second question, Untouchable was written in the year. Answer is 1932. Third question, who is the protagonist of the novel Untouchable? The answer is Baka. Question number 4, what was the age of Baka? The answer is 18 years. Question number 5, what was Baka or what was the profession of Baka? Baka was a toilet cleaner. Question number 6, what was the name of Baka's father? The answer is Lakha. Question number 7, what was the name of Baka's younger brother? The answer is Rakha. What was the name of Baka's sister? The answer is Sohini. In which year was Untouchable written? The answer is 1932. Untouchable was published in the year 1935. Question number 11. Who was inspired by Mulk Raj Anand's first novel Untouchable? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 12, whose experience inspired Anand to write Untouchable? The answer is Anand's aunt. Question number 13, who wrote the preface of the novel Untouchable? The answer is E.M. Forster. Question number 14, where was the setting of the novel Untouchable? The answer is Bulandshahr or Bulashaha. Question number 15, who gave hockey sticks to Baka? The answer is Havildar Charat Singh. Question number 16, who sexually molested Baka's sister Sohini? The answer is Pandit Kalinath. Question number 7, what are Tommies? The answer is Tommies are British private soldiers. Why does Baka love European clothing? The answer is he thinks wearing it make him a sahib too. Who is Waziro? The answer is the weaver's wife. Question number 20. Who helps Sohini to fill her water bucket? The answer is a priest of the town temple helps Sohini to fill her water bucket. Question number 21. What does Lakha call his daughter when she returns home? The answer is Lakha calls his daughter when he returns home is a daughter of pig. Why does Lakha bully his children? The answer is to preserve his authority on the children. What illness does Lakha fake to get out of his sweeper duties? The answer is a pain in his side. Question number 24. Why is Baka enamored or attached with the Tommies? The answer is he was treated well when he worked for them. Charat Singh's behavior towards Baka can be best described as condescending. What do Lakha and Gulabo have in common? Their use of violent language. Question number 27. Where does Lakha tell Baka to clean today? The answer is the temple courtyard. 28. Question number, who successfully gets Baka to wake up completely? The answer is Charat Singh. Question number 29. How does Lakshman greet Pandit Kalinath? The answer is saying Joy Deva to him. Question number 30. In the face of Gulabo's anger, Sohini asks the woman dash to leave her alone. Question number 31. Why does Gulabo hate Sohini? The answer is she is jealous of Sohini's beauty. Question number 32. Why cannot the outcast get their own water? The answer is the high caste think the outcast would pollute the public well or the nearby stream. Question number 33. What does Kala Admi Zamin par Hagne wala mean? Black man, you who relieve yourself on the ground. 34. Question number. Gulabo's explosive anger at Sohini is an example of dash. The answer is hyperbole. Question number 35. The different clothing of the Indian men best illustrates which theme? The answer is you are what you wear. Question number 36. For fate to ordain that he had time. This quote from Untouchable is an example of dash. The answer is personification. Question number 37. Which word best describes Lakha calling his children the offspring of animals? The answer is irony. Question number 38. Who is the famous hockey player in this novel? The answer is Havaldar Charat Singh. Question number 39. Who is Chhota? The answer is Chhota is one of the friends of Vakha. Question number 40. What is Chhota's father? The answer is Chhota's father is a leather worker. Question number 41. Who is the mother of Ramcharan? The answer is Gulabo. Question number 42. Who had fallen in love with Sohini? The answer is Lakshman. Lakshman had fallen in love with Sohini. Question number 43. In Untouchable, the use of Punjabi and Hindi idioms in English brings him reputation of dash. The answer is India's Charles Dickens. Question number 44. What does the novel Untouchable aim at? The answer is to eradicate caste system or to abolish the caste system from India. Question number 45. In the novel Untouchable, whose wedding took place? The answer is Ramcharan's sister. Question number 46. Who was the chief of the local Salvation Army? The answer is Colonel Hutchinson. Question number 47. How many days of experience in Vakha's life is shown in the novel Untouchable? The answer is only single day. Question number 48. Whose speech did Vakha listen in Bulasa? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 49. Who was the chief of all of Balasa's sweepers? The answer is Lakha. The last question is, when did Mulk Raj Anand die? The answer is 28 September 2004. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and also like and share this video more and more.